When a man struggles with erectile dysfunction, it doesn't just affect him, it can quietly erode the trust, connection, and intimacy in a relationship. But here's the truth. ED is not a personal failure. It's a medical condition, and there are real, hopeful solutions. Today, we're breaking the silence and giving you the tools you need to move forward. Welcome back to the Mindhunters. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more honest conversations about men's health. Today, we're diving deep into ED and relationship issues and what every man needs to know. Let's get started. Erectile dysfunction, or ED, is the consistent inability to achieve or maintain an erection sufficient for sexual performance. It's incredibly common. Studies estimate that about 30 million men in the US alone experience it. Common causes include physical issues like heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, and hormonal imbalances. Psychological factors like anxiety, depression, and stress are equally responsible. Lifestyle choices such as smoking, heavy drinking, poor diet, and lack of exercise add more to the issue. The emotional toll of ED is significant. Many men feel a sense of shame and embarrassment. Let's break some common myths. Myth: ED only affects older men. Fact: while it's more common with age, ED can affect men at any stage of life. Myth: ED means you're not attracted to your partner. Fact: ED is often more about blood flow, hormones, or psychological stress, not attraction. Let's discuss how ED impact your relationship. ED doesn't happen in a vacuum. It almost always affects the relationship dynamic. When ED occurs, many couples fall into a cycle of silence. Men may feel embarrassed and pull away. Partners may misinterpret it as rejection. This can breed frustration and tension. Emotional and physical intimacy can suffer. Without open discussion, couples often experience a growing emotional distance. Men may feel like they're less of a man, leading to a loss of confidence both in the bedroom and beyond, affecting communication, connection, and overall happiness. Here's the good news. ED is treatable, and the first step is talking about it. Start with open communication. Tell your partner what's happening. Research shows that couples who tackle ED together report higher relationship satisfaction. Explore medical options. Prescription medications like Viagra or Cialis are effective for many men. Managing underlying conditions like diabetes or heart disease can dramatically improve ED. Lifestyle changes like quitting smoking, exercising regularly, losing weight, and reducing alcohol intake have been proven to help. If anxiety, depression, or relationship stress is involved, therapy can be life-changing. Cognitive behavioral therapy in particular has strong evidence for helping men with ED-related anxiety. Sex therapy and couples therapy can also help address intimacy and communication issues. Working through ED together can actually make your relationship stronger. Build trust and empathy. Reaffirm that love, attraction, and connection go beyond sex. Practice patience and understanding, both for yourself and your partner. Foster healthy communication. Share feelings honestly and listen without judgment. Consider couples counseling. A trained therapist can help you both navigate emotional challenges and rebuild intimacy in ways that don't solely focus on sexual performance. ED doesn't define you, and it doesn't have to define your relationship either. Prioritize self-care and mental health. Get enough sleep and stay physically active. Create a positive, supportive environment. Celebrate small victories together and focus on building emotional closeness, which in turn often improves sexual intimacy. Finally, reframe ED. It's a health concern, just like any other. Address it with compassion, understanding, and action. And you'll be surprised at the healing that can happen, both personally and relationally. If you or someone you love is dealing with ED, remember, you are not alone, and help is available. Must watch our video covering specific treatments and therapies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who could use a little encouragement today. Thanks for watching, and remember, real strength comes from seeking help and growing stronger together.